Computer, Day 5. This is the book cover, Introduction to Computers, Book 5. Today we will do the practical of mouse, buttons and the different keys on keyboard and how to use the keys. Hello student, today we will do the practical. This is the keyboard and this is monitor. This is mouse. Let's learn about mouse action. There is 3 buttons on mouse. One is left button, one is right button and the middle button is called scroll button. Left, right, scroll. Now the keys on keyboard. There are many small buttons on keyboard. A, S, D, F, G, these are the alphabetic key or letter key, that is A to Z. Here are the numbers key 1 to 0, that is 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want 10, you have to press 1 and 0. If you want 20, press 2 and 0. Now next one is a special key. Tab key, caps lock key, shift key, control key, function key, alt key, windows key, space bar key. These are all the special keys. Now the most important key is enter key. Enter key is used to go to next line. Listen, I have to press the enter key. Now see the action on monitor. What happened? My cursor is blinking here. If I will press enter, the cursor will come down. Let's see with the example of text. I have typed A. Okay. If I want to go to next line, I have to press enter once. So what will happen? The cursor will come down. I will press B, then I will press enter. Now the cursor has come to next line. Like this, the enter key is used to go to next line. Is it clear? Now I have rubbed the text from screen. How I did this? H. For example, I typed H. If I want to rub it, I have to use backspace key. Press the backspace, the letter will be deleted. Now I am pressing backspace. What happened? The letter is removed from the screen. Is it okay? Now see the difference. The letters are removing from back side and letters are removing from front side. So how to do this? For example, I have typed the letter cat, bat, mat. Okay. Now, if I want to delete the letter mat, so I have to use backspace key. Why? Mat is on the back side. That's why I am using backspace key. I will press backspace key. So, TA, now M is deleting. With the help of backspace, I removed the word mat. Now, if I want the word bat, but I don't want the word cat and my cursor is blinking here. So, what I should do? I should press backspace? No, this time backspace key will not work. So, for that, what I have to use? I have to use delete key. What the delete key will do? It will rub the letter from front side. Now I am pressing delete key. See what happened on the screen? C is deleted, A is deleted and T is deleted. Okay. So just now we have seen 2 keys that rub the letter or text. One is backspace, other is delete. Backspace क्या करता है? वर्ड्स को पीछे से डिलीट करता है और डिलीट की क्या करती है, वर्ड्स को आगे से डिलीट करती है। समझ में आया? नाउ द मोस्ट important and the longest key on the keyboard is space bar key. This key is used to leave the space between two words. For example, I am typing bat. Bat is red in color. Okay, now I have left the space. These space are left by the backspace key. What will happen if the spaces are not there? Bat is red in color. Can you read the sentence? No, you can't read the sentence because it needs a proper punctuation. So, there should be space after T. So, what I will do? I will press space. So, what will happen after pressing space? Yes, now there is a space. As the sentence is too big, that's why it's happening like this. Let me reduce the text so you can understand the living space. Now see, bat space, then is space. I pressed space bar key, the space is left, then red, then space, then in. COLOUR, color. Is it clear? Now next one is function key. Here F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 are the function key. These are the special program keys. For example, if I will press F1, what will come? The help option will come. Okay, now internet is not connected, otherwise it will open the help box. Get help दिख रहा है आपको? ऐसे ही सब अलग अलग कीज अलग अलग फंक्शंस प्रोवाइड करती हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज नंबर की. 1 enter, 2 enter, 3 4 5 6. Now type 200. How I will type 2 0 0 is 200. 365 3 6 5 like this. Okay, this is the number key. Is it clear? Now if I want to rub the text, what I will use? Backspace key. Next one is capital letter and small letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. These all letters are in small. Now see the difference. Now these letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All are in capital. How to get this capital letter? Can you see a caps lock? When you press the caps lock, the indicator will on here somewhere. Okay. That means caps lock is on. In the laptop, it's the indicator indicates on the key itself, whereas in computer there are 3 keys, 3 different indicators are there, so that will indicate over there. So when you press the caps lock, the light is on, that means your caps lock is on. Now whatever you will type, that will come into capital letter. Again if I'll press the caps lock, what will happen? The indicator will go. इंडिकेटर दिख नहीं रहा है, लाइट नहीं दिख रही, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? लाइट बंद हो गई है, आपका कैप्स लॉक ऑफ हो गया है. अब आप जो भी टाइप करोगे वो वापस स्मॉल लेटर में आने लगेगा. समझ में आया कैप्स लॉक का यूजेस एंड हाउ टू यूज द कैप्स लॉक? नाउ द नेक्स्ट की इज शिफ्ट की. नाउ ऑब्जर्व द कीबोर्ड. आपके कीबोर्ड पे बहुत सारे कीज ऐसे हैं जिसके ऊपर 2-2 लिखा हुआ है, 2-2 कुछ इंस्क्राइब किया. जैसे 1 के साथ में एक्सक्लेमेशन है, 2 के साथ में @ साइन है, 3 के साथ में हैश है, 4 के साथ में डॉलर साइन, 5 विद द परसेंटेज, 6 विद द एक्सपोनेंशियल, 7 विद द एम्परसेंड, 8 विद द एस्टेरिस्क, 9 विद द ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट, 0 विद द क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट. सेम हियर. Comma is with less than, dot is full stop is with greater than, and so on. Slash and question mark is together. How to get this capital letter? This one upper, इसको ऊपर वाली जो है ना उसको बोलते हैं अपर केस कैरेक्टर. क्या बोलते हैं? अपर केस कैरेक्टर. अभी मुझे समझ लो कि डॉलर साइन चाहिए, तो क्या दबाऊंगी कि मुझे डॉलर मिल जाएगा? आप बोलोगे 4 दबाओ मैम, तो आई विल प्रेस 4, बट यहाँ तो 4 दिख रहा है. 4 दबाया तो क्या दिखा? 4. डॉलर चाहिए तो आई हैव टू प्रेस शिफ्ट एंड 4. द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ शिफ्ट की एंड 4 विल गिव यू डॉलर साइन. तो आपको जो भी अपर केस कैरेक्टर जिसके ऊपर 2-2 दिख रहा है उसके ऊपर वाला आपको चाहिए, तो आपको दबाना है शिफ्ट की. अभी मुझे यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क चाहिए, तो मैं क्या दबाऊंगी? शिफ्ट एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क, शिफ्ट क्वेश्चन मार्क. अभी दबाना कैसे? मतलब साइमल्टेनियसली, साथ में दबाना है. ये नहीं कि आपने पहले शिफ्ट दबा दिया फिर ये दबाया, तो आपको साथ में दोनों बटन्स को यूज करना है. ओके, समझ में आया द यूजेस ऑफ शिफ्ट की? शिफ्ट की आपको दूसरा भी काम करवाता है. कैपिटल लेटर लिखते हैं, जैसे कि ए दबाया, अभी ए आ गया शिफ्ट की, और शिफ्ट की से ए दबाओगे तो क्या आएगा? अल्फ़ाबेट कैपिटल में आ जाएगा. तो शिफ्ट की विल गिव यू द कैपिटल लेटर ऑल्सो. These are the basic key functions. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you, children.